Now guys, welcome to Swift Communication GH. In this video I'll be reviewing a new router. This is Huawei Flybox B622. This device is powered by Huawei, but it's not written on the box. But it's a Huawei device. In front of the router you can see the model number Flybox 4G Plus B622-335. Over here you can see the IMEI. Let's unbox the device. These are all similar devices we have over here. This device is similar to the Huawei B612. It's also an orange Flybox router, but this is a higher version. It comes in the same size and the same specification as the B612, but with slight changes. This uses a nano SIM, while the B612 uses a micro SIM. So this is the smallest SIM. It also has the same physical antenna port. Inside the box you can see a 12V 2A power adapter. Then we have the antenna and the LAN cable. This is a Cat 6 LAN cable. Let's fix the antennas first. On top of the router you have the power button and the WPS button. The router also has 4 LAN ports and 1 telephone port with the reset button here and the power port here. This is a 400 Mbps download device with a 75 Mbps upload. It also has a dual band, 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. Let's insert our SIM card. Today we'll be using a Vodafone SIM to test this device. Over here, this is the way to insert the SIM card. The silver panels will be facing the front of the router, then you slide it in. Then you press it to hear a click. At the back of the router, as usual, we have the Wi-Fi name and the 5G name. We have the Wi-Fi password, which is for both the 2.4 and the 5 GHz. We also have the IP address and the IP address password. Now, next video we'll be comparing this router to Huawei B612. So please subscribe and stay tuned. Once you plug in the power cable, the device will automatically come on. On the device we have 3 lights. We have the network light, the Wi-Fi light and the signal light. This has to be white for the device to function, and this has to come on for you to see the Wi-Fi on your laptop. And this is the signal bars. When all the 3 are on, it means you have a full signal. On the router you can see powered by orange. The signal light is on. The network light is also on. It's left with the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi light has turned on. So now let's connect it to our laptop. Where you can see the name Orange 8E54. That's the same as this. So we'll be connecting to this Wi-Fi. We'll be using this password to connect. The Wi-Fi password. Small T 8 Q F R Y F2 N Q T. We are connected to the Orange Wi-Fi. Now let's go to the IP address and see how the dashboard looks like. The IP address is 192.168.1.1. This also has a similar dashboard as a Huawei B612. So we'll be using this password over here to sign into the IP address. That's the second password. JQ EQ capital L 32 capital L. So we are logged in. So now it's requesting for us to change the login password. Let's insert a new login password. I'm using Huawei B622 as our login password. Over here you have to check all the boxes. Then click on finish. At the interface you have the signal 4G. You can also see the network you are using, Vodafone. This is the amount of data we've used. When you want to change your Wi-Fi password, you come to here, settings. Over here you can see the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and the 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It also has a VoIP. These are some of the settings available on the router. You have a VPN, you have a DHCP, you have IP filter, NAT settings, and some other settings. So to change the Wi-Fi, go Wi-Fi settings. Right here you can see the Wi-Fi name, and this is the Wi-Fi password. So when you're done, you click on save. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this. Let's test the internet connection. The speed is really fast. Right here we are connected to the router. See you guys in the next video. Bye.